Hello, this is Dr. Tyler Hamel, Kingwood Chiropractor, today talking about car accidents, car accident patients, PIP. People get in car accidents, oftentimes they are very concerned about their vehicle or their car, which is understandable. Say you have two vehicles like this, boom, coming in contact with each other. Not so good for this car, of course, because this one is way bigger. But obviously there's going to be significant damage to this poor car. And immediately what the person is thinking is, my goodness, I need a car to get around. How am I going to get my car fixed? How long is it going to take my car to get fixed? Especially these days where parts are high in demand and hard to find. How long is it going to take? So I understand that's a key. We all need a vehicle to get around. And so we want to get our car back and fixed as best as possible, right? We want this car to be fixed and look exactly like it is now. We don't want it to be hit from the front and or the side and maybe just fix the front and not the side, right? Or if all the airbags went off, we don't want to just fix one airbag in the driver's seat and not the passenger side. So when it comes to your body, it's the same kind of thing. When you're in a whiplash type of accident, your head flies back, that is significant trauma on the spine, the muscles, the discs, and the nerves here. A trauma unlike anything ever before. You could fall, you could bang into something, you could hurt yourself working out or playing sports, but it's usually not going to be as intense or significant as a whiplash injury, even going 30 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour. Some people, it's like 60, 70 miles an hour. Some people flip on over and seatbelt burns them or the airbags go off. They have to go to the emergency room. They get knocked out, things like that. So where I come from as a chiropractor, yeah, get your car fixed, but get your body fixed as well, right? And I always say, get the treatment you need to get you back to the point you were like before the accident, pre-accident status, as best as possible, right? So if you have neck pain and back pain and hip pain, you don't want to just do enough treatment to get your neck fixed, but not your back and your hip. Or if you had wrist pain or you had a headache from the accident, you don't want to just get one fixed and not the other. Hopefully that makes sense, right? You deserve to get the amount of treatment that you need to get better, to as close to pre-accident status. We try for 80, 90%, maybe more, just depending on how severe the accident is. For insurance, we accept PIP insurance, personal injury protection. That is on your own auto plan. We don't do third party. We don't do attorneys, anything like that, just because that can just take forever and it's really tough to get paid by another insurance company fighting back and forth. So we don't do that anymore. But PIP insurance, yes, most people have it on their auto policy, and it allows you to get the treatment that you need without having to worry about anything else. Somebody telling you how much treatment you should get, somebody telling you that you shouldn't be getting this amount of treatment, an adjuster calling you every week, how much longer you're going to treat for, so on and so forth. We don't have to do any of that stuff. So again, it's Dr. Tyler Hamel. Any questions about personal injury protection, PIP? We accept all the PIP plans from the different insurance companies, Travelers and Progressive, Geico, USAA. If you're in an accident, unfortunately, it is what it is. Work on the car, but also call us. We'll do an evaluation and let you know the extent of your injuries and how long it's going to take. Some patients only take a month. Some take 6 months worth of treatment. They can have severe injuries from car accidents. So leave a message below if you have any questions about the process or whether you should come in or what's going on. You can Facebook message us, which will take you into a live message for our office. You can converse back and forth with our front desk. Also from our website, hamelchiropracticwellness.com. You can do the same kind of thing. Just hit the button that says message us. You can talk to us via message. You don't have to call if you don't want. I know people are busy these days. But again, Dr. Tyler Hamel talking about whiplash, car accidents, PIP. Hopefully that explains it. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.